how to make meeting in Microsoft Teams. So first go to your account and then just click on meet here, the left side. Next is just click on create meeting link, and then just click on create and copy link, and then now you have a meeting. You just need to share this link to others so they can join on the meeting. And then you can also schedule a meeting. You can just click on schedule a meeting here, and then just add in all of the details available that you need to input here. And then after that, make sure that you add the people that you want to join here, their email, and then you can just click on save. So let's say I'm going to add in someone here, just like so, and then just click on send, and then this meeting will be automatically sent to their email, and then they just need to click on the link to enter the meeting. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.